Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. YouHodler, found at YouHodler.com, offers a unique blend of cryptocurrency services. It's not just a simple exchange or a standard lending platform, instead, it combines elements of both, alongside other interesting features. This creates a versatile platform, but it's important to understand how each piece works to maximize its potential. One of the key offerings of YouHodler is its crypto-backed loans. This means you can use your existing cryptocurrency holdings as collateral to borrow against. This can be a useful tool for accessing liquidity without selling your assets, allowing you to potentially capitalize on market opportunities or cover short-term expenses. Interest rates and loan terms vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency used as collateral and the loan-to-value ratio. It's crucial to carefully review these details before taking out a loan. YouHodler also provides a range of savings accounts where you can earn interest on your deposited cryptocurrency. The interest rates offered are generally competitive within the crypto lending market. However, as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and assess the associated risks. Security is a significant concern in the cryptocurrency space, and YouHodler employs various measures to protect user funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for a portion of its assets. Furthermore, the platform offers a feature known as Turbocharge, which allows users to multiply their crypto holdings using a cascading loan system. While this feature can potentially amplify gains, it also magnifies the risk of losses, so it's essential to exercise caution. Navigating YouHodler's interface is generally straightforward. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those relatively new to the cryptocurrency world. However, given the complexities of some of the features, taking the time to understand the platform thoroughly is recommended before committing significant funds. Finally, it's worth noting that YouHodler is subject to regulatory requirements, which can vary depending on your jurisdiction. Being aware of these regulations is crucial before using the platform. Overall, YouHodler presents a compelling proposition for those looking to expand their cryptocurrency toolkit. Its blend of lending, saving, and other innovative features offers flexibility. However, as always, thorough research and a cautious approach are essential.